Hi guys, welcome to FM1 Tuition. Today we're talking about how to simplify algebra. Um, so when you look deep into it, it's not that difficult, especially if you know how to add, subtract, divide, multiply, etc. So simply put here, you'll be given a few numbers or letters A, maybe C, 2A, 6A, maybe 7B, etc. So these are your algebraic terms. Be asked to simplify it. So let's give you guys a few examples now. Um, Alright, so say if you had, let's go to the first question. Let's say you had A plus C plus C plus C. So what you do is gather the terms together. So the A's are together and the C's are together. There's about two of them. So that's 2A. That's 3 C's plus 3 C's. So that's how you simplify the first question. As you can see, it's not that difficult. Find out which ones are the same and add them together. So let's give you another example. Question 2. Let's say, okay, A plus B plus A minus A plus B. Okay, so here you got, we got A. So A plus A is 2A minus A is A again. And then you got the B's here. B plus B, that's 2B. So that's your answer. We've written out a few more questions. So what I would suggest is pause the video here. Write these numbers, these questions down, sorry. Pause the video, see if you can answer it. And then once you've done it, replay it and then we'll go through it together. So hopefully by now you've done it. Let's go through it. So first thing we do, we put the terms together. So you've got the A here, normal A. So what's 13A plus 8A? It's 21A. Then you got the B's here and the B's here. Minus 5B plus 12B. What's that? So that's plus 7B. And then finally the numbers here. There you go. Plus 7. You can even simplify that even further. That's the same as 7.21. So if I put 7 here, 3A plus B plus 1. And we'll talk about that another time. That's how to factorize it out. Let's go to question 4 here. A plus 2B plus B minus 8 minus 5A. So let's get the A's together. Minus 5A plus A, that's the same as minus 4A. B plus 2B plus B plus 3B minus the 8. And finally this one, 13m plus 7 plus 2n minus 8m minus 3. Let's put the m's together. 13 minus 8, 5m, 2n, the other end, no, plus 2n, and then 7 minus 3, that's minus 4. There's a few more questions I've written out. Again, pause the video and see if you guys can answer it and then replay it. And we'll go through it together again. Alright, so here's question 1. X squared. Again, don't be confused by the powers here. Again, you just treat the terms as, put the terms together. So the x squared are together, the x are together, etc. So you got 2x and x squared here. X squared plus a 2x. Sorry, 2x squared, that's 3x squared. You got the 4x here plus a 2x, 6x, and then 4 by itself here, plus 4. So again, don't be confused by the x squared or the power to the cubed, etc. Just turn them together. Question 2 now. 3p squared plus 6q plus p squared minus 4q. Let's put the p squared together. So the p squared here. 3p squared plus a p squared, that's 4p squared. The q here, 6q minus 4q. So I'll miss out this 3 squared, 3p squared as well. So let's add another 3, that should be a 7. You see how easy it is to make a mistake? Alright, so that should have been a 7. 3p squared plus a p squared, that's 4, plus another 3, that's 7p squared. Minus 6, so not minus, 6q plus 4q. 6q minus 4q is plus 2q. There you go, your teacher making a mistake today. Anyway, let's go to the next question. This was a little bit more trickier. pq plus 3pq, so these two are the same, minus 2qp, so don't be put off by this. P times q is the same as q times p, so they're pretty much the same thing if you think about it. So this term is also added together here. So that's pq plus another 3pq, which is 4, minus 2, that should be 2pq, plus a p squared plus a q squared. That should be your answer.